Today I will show you a trick that will allow you to see the list of mutual friends on Snapchat. First, make sure your app is up to date. Then open it. Then click the chat icon below. Here you will see all your friends. Then click on the friend request icon above. Here you will see a lot of people in Quick Add. In fact, Quick Add shows people who are friends of your friends, mean mutual friend list. Now I want to see aesthetic mutual friends. So unfriend all other friends except aesthetic. After unfriend everyone, only aesthetics mutual friend will be seen in Quick Friend. To see a person's mutual friend, you have to unfriend out all the other friends.